Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today, June 16th, 2026. The top crypto news is as follows, and we will start our episode in the classic way. We begin with Strategy, which purchased 1,587 Bitcoin for $100 million, while BitMine, belonging to Mr. Tom Lee, purchased $139 million worth of Ethereum. To wrap up on the company front, we also head over to Coinbase, and specifically to the CEO of Coinbase, who, in a short video you can see on your screens, says that his instinct tells him that we have most likely reached the bottom point at this stage of the cycle, approximately at the level of $60,000, but no one can be certain. He says he expects prices to be significantly higher by 2030, and as he stated again, he believes that Bitcoin is the new digital gold. So the CEO of Coinbase also considers $60,000 to have essentially been the bottom of the crypto market. Moving on, we go to Standard Chartered, which has made yet another prediction about the future of tokenization. Specifically, they told us that tokenization could push assets in the DeFi space of the crypto market to reach $2.73 trillion by 2030. That is a date that a great many people in the space say the traditional financial system will essentially be living on the blockchain by then, so this will naturally give a very significant boost to tokenization as well. Moving on to our tokens, today we go to Hyperliquid, which has gained 7% on the 24-hour chart. During this period, the SPCX stock appears to be helping tremendously. As on Hyperliquid's Hype 3, the SPCX stock has recorded a trading volume of $1.4 billion per day, with the pair representing 30% of the total Hype 3 volume during that session. So there is a lot of trading happening inside Hyperliquid, and that naturally helps the price of the token itself. Alongside all of this, there is also a dark spot these days, and that is the fact that Hyperliquid is set to lose two significant IPOs effectively. One of the biggest players providing trading services for private company stocks within Hyperliquid is shutting down. We are referring to Ventuals, which is behind the futures contracts for OpenAI and Anthropic. It announced that it will essentially close, and the team will continue working on another project being built within the Hyperliquid ecosystem, so they are not leaving entirely, let us put it that way. Despite all this move halted trading for the OpenAI and Anthropic markets, with all positions being settled automatically. The team stated that it generated trading volume of over $650 million and attracted over 500,000 Hype tokens in community support during its period of operation. So those are the figures for Hyperliquid. Now moving on to Avalanche, we go to something we more or less already knew. That is the fact that FIFA is issuing tickets and digital collectibles for the 2026 World Cup on a customized blockchain built on Avalanche. FIFA has had an agreement with Avalanche since 2025, as you know from Crypto News, so it is a logical move for this to happen. For the last item of the day, we head to the little guys of the crypto market, where I can tell you that the game Pudgy Party is shutting down less than 1 year after its launch. The main reason, according to the Pudgy team, is that they want to try to shift more of the audience's attention to another game they have called Pudgy World, which they describe as fully their own. And now it is time for us to look at our beloved crypto market. Bitcoin is standing at $66,000, with the price having reached as high as $67,000 on news that there may be a ceasefire in the conflict in Asia. Nevertheless, it is now time to see what will happen with interest rates, dear audience. Tomorrow there will be an announcement regarding what America will do with its interest rates. There is a 98% probability they will leave them unchanged, as you can see. However, within 2026, there are many possibilities for us to see interest rate increases as well, something that other central banks have already done, such as the European Central Bank, which officially raised interest rates by 25 basis points. And beyond Europe, Something even more concerning is Japan. The Bank of Japan is widely expected, though it has not yet acted, to raise its benchmark interest rate to 1% from 0.75% today, bringing it to its highest level since 1995. So as you can understand, higher interest rates mean we may need to worry again about carry trading. It is not certain, but if this increase happens, carry trading could be activated again today and could once again weaken our market. So those are the key figures when it comes to interest rates across many parts of the world. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, June 16th, 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.